Hello and welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we will start the chapter 8 MS Word. For introduction, Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is a package. You can use it to type letter, report and other document. It means it is a word processor and a software which is used to create document. The Microsoft Word is used to insert different types of multimedia like text, audio, video, image, etc. We can use the latest version of Microsoft Word, which can be a Microsoft Office 10. There are different features of MS Office Word like it is capable to convert a list in a table and capable to convert a table in a list. We can also insert a list in bullets and numbers, and we can also insert smart arts. We can create a custom tab. We should use the quick selection method. We can also add the placeholder text. There are certain features like change case and quick parts. It is also used to insert a background as image and provide the facility to wrap the text. It means the MS Word contain different features to create an attractive document without any special and so many efficiency. The MS Word is a document generator and document creator which contain all the facility to edit and format the text so that it is known as fully word processor. First of all, we should know what is the difference between editing and formatting. Editing refers to making quick modification to a document using editing tools such as find and replace, spelling and grammar checker, copy and paste or undo or redo features. The formatting refers to changing the appearance of a text in a document such as text formatting, page formatting and paragraph formatting. It means the formatting is categorized in three major categories: text formatting, page formatting and paragraph formatting. Now let us discuss how to create a document in MS Word. First of all, we should start MS Word by double clicking or by navigating it from the program. After opening the MS Word window, we should use File menu and Home tab to create a new document. First of all, we should select the blank document. There will be a blank page available on the screen. Here, we should use to write something which we want to store as a soft copy in MS Word. After that, we should again go to the Office button and select the Save option. First time, Office asks the file name and location where we want to save the file. We should provide the file name and save it in a selected location. Otherwise, it will by default saved in My Document. The extension of MS Word document is DocX in advanced version and Doc in earlier version. This is the entire steps to create document in MS Word. Next, we should use to save the file. It means we should provide the save as option and location. It means we should provide the file name and location where we want to save the file. If you want to again do the task in your existing document, we should open the existing document. For opening an existing document, again we should click on the Office button and select Open option. After opening, there should be My Document available. If you have saved your document in My Document, you should select the file name. Otherwise, you should navigate the location where we have where you have to save the file. When you will open the existing document, it should be updated with new content, and again it should be updated by using the save option. In Office button, there are two options for saving a document. First, save, and another, save as. The first time while creating a document, it always uses save as option, and the next time when you are opening an existing document and updating with new content, it uses save. It means to update any existing document, we should always use save option, and to save our document in a particular location or with a new name, we should always use save as option. Let us discuss the first window of MS Word. The first window contains a tab, Home tab. This Home tab is further classified in clipboard, font, paragraph, style, and editing option. Here, all the options contain the different menus related to that particular, like the clipboard contain cut, paste, copy, and format painter. Cut is used to move a text from one place to other. The copy is used to create the duplicate of selected text. The paste option used with cut and copy both the options to paste the content. The format painter is option available in the clipboard which is used to copy the formatting. The another category of Home tab uses font option. This category is also belongs to formatting of a text. It means the entire option to format a text is available in font category. Like it uses font face, font size, grow and shrink, bold, italic, underline, strike, superscript, subscript, change case, text highlight, and text color. The font face is used to change the font style. The shortcut of this is Ctrl plus Shift plus F. The font size is used to increase and decrease the font size. The shortcut of font size is Ctrl plus Shift plus P. To grow and shrink option we should use while we want to increase and decrease the font size by 1. For this we should use Ctrl plus greater than and Ctrl plus less than symbol to grow and shrink the content. For bold we can use Ctrl plus B. It is used to make our text bold. For italic, we should use Ctrl plus I. It is used to make our text italic. To underline a text, we should use Ctrl plus U. It is used to underline the text. A strike is used to make a horizontal line over the text, which looks like cut mark. To strike the text, we should use the strike option from the font category. The subscript is used to insert the chemical formula like H2O. For this, we can use Ctrl plus equal to shortcut button. The superscript option is used to insert mathematical formula like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the square should be inserted by using the superscript option. The change case option is used to make the changes of a text in capital letter, small letter, sentence case, etc. We can also use a text highlighter to highlight the text. It contains different colors which is used to highlight the text by changing its background. The text color is used to change the color of that particular text. While creating all the formatting, we should aware that the particular text should be selected. Apart from this, we cannot apply any formatting if our text is not selected. To select a text, we should use Ctrl plus A and double click on the selected text. Thanks for now.